Welcome to Amaris Homes Phase 1, here in Salitran 2, Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Today we're excited to showcase a fully furnished 2-bedroom home, ideal for families, students, or professionals looking for a comfortable and move-in ready residence. Let's start the tour. This 2-story home sits on a 75 square meter lot with a 126 square meter floor area. It comes with a spacious 1-car garage, and the location is in a no-flood area, which is a big plus for homeowners and renters. As soon as you enter, you're welcomed by a bright and cozy living area. And the best part? Everything you see here is included. You get the sofa, center table, curtains, and even a flat-screen TV. This dining set is already part of the package, perfect for small families or short-term guests. The kitchen is fully equipped, complete with a refrigerator, a gas range with a range hood, and tons of storage. There's also a dirty kitchen at the back plus a dedicated laundry area. Now let's head upstairs. This is the master's bedroom, and it comes with its own private balcony, perfect for morning coffee or relaxing evenings. You also get the queen-size bed, extra beddings, a flat-screen TV, and an inverter aircon. The second bedroom is spacious and fully furnished with 3 double-size beds, ideal for families and students. You have 1 modern toilet and bath, designed with clean and durable finishes. Amaris Homes offers resort-inspired amenities like a clubhouse, sports courts, and parks and playgrounds, making it a wonderful community to live in or invest in. If you're looking for a move-in-ready home, this property is definitely worth checking out. To schedule a viewing, send us a message today.